day is always a bellwether. I know that if I can achieve a high-performance takeoff, I'll generally have a great day of flying in this area. In this airplane, a high-performance takeoff generally means achieving 1,000 feet AGL or higher before I reach the end of the runway. So let's go see what type of day it's going to be. High-performance takeoff leading to a great day of flying or not.
County traffic, light 41 Mike Zulu, taking runway 34 with a left 45 departure, Yolo County.
Okay, here we go. We're going to roll onto the runway, go all the way to the end, grab every inch of that tarmac that we can. Wing it around, go smoothly to full power. Pull the nose up at 40 knots. Let it fly itself off. Hold it in ground effect for 2 seconds and let her climb. I'm going to offset to the right a little bit. We have a right crosswind, and I want to be able to see the end of the runway and see if we're achieving our altitude goal. 60 knots, 1,100 feet a minute, 5180 RPMs. Looking good. 5,200 RPMs, 1,000 feet per minute, 60 knots. Pull it back to VY, 55 knots. Climb it a little bit better. Okay, we're almost to 1,000 feet, 5,220 RPM. Okay, and there's the end of the runway. 1,200, climbing through 1,200, that means we have 1,100 AGL. We did it. All right, back her down, let her rest.
All right, we're 10 miles clear of the airport now, cruising at 120 knots. I'll pull the stick back into an extreme climb using this running start. You can follow the instruments while I relay 4 DUC propeller details. 1. The first thing you notice is that blades are markedly narrower, thinner, and lighter than comparable props. Trailing edges in particular are ultra thin and super sharp, like samurai swords. 2. Blades are made using a unidirectional forged carbon process. This allows blades to flex under loading, thereby providing a constant speed propeller effect, at least according to the manufacturer. 3. With this construction and light weight, the prop runs quieter than comparable props. And with less weight, kickbacks, common to Rotax 912 series engines on shutdown, are greatly reduced. 4. With a constant speed effect, the best of both worlds can be achieved with one pitch setting, excellent takeoff performance, and great cruising speed. Okay, now let's go back up and level her out and actually measure cruising speed.
Okay, let's check the straight and level cruise performance of the DUC Propeller. We're at 2,500 feet, altimeter 3025, and we have 15 degrees Celsius. Put the autopilot on, and then we'll just control the trim. Get it nose up level, and it looks like we're actually going down a little bit, but that's because the camera is looking down at that gauge. We're going to pull it up a little here, and we'll take it to 5,200 RPMs and see what she'll pull. We're going into about a 10 or 15 knot headwind. Okay, here we got 5210 to nose level. Let's stabilize. Well, as you can see, we're going to blow right through 120 knots, or at least it's going to hold 120 knots.